Smart Up Your Life. Smart Up Your Life, an on-air and interactive English learning program.
101.1 Smart FM, the spirit of Indonesia. Welcome back to Smart Up Your Life with me, Mutmainatu Safia, or you may call me Inna, as host tonight. And of course, I'm not alone here. I'm already with speakers from BPEC Makassar. Hi, smart listeners. Okay, so we are going to discuss about an interesting topic, of course. As always, in Tuesday night, we will always have a sharing session. We are going to discuss. We are going to do right now, and of course, you as smart listeners, you can also interact with us via WhatsApp. You can contact us by 0811-461-011, or you may also comment in our live streaming in YouTube Smartfm Makassar. And of course, we are going to talk with our speakers tonight. There are three handsome speakers. So maybe before you introduce what is BPEC to smart listeners who actually maybe still don't know what is BPEC, you can introduce yourself first. So, yours.
Okay, thank you very much for the opportunity given to me. My name is Ichal, just call me Ichal. I'm currently, maybe we still can count it as a student, a college student at State University of Makassar. I'm taking a sociology education major.
Oh, hi Kak Ichal, nice to meet you. Okay, next.
Hi, smart listener. My name is Mohammed. You guys can call me Yusril, and I'm student of Islamic State University of Makassar.
Hi, Kak Yusril.
Hi.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you
next to Kak Yusril.
Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Fakhri and everyone calls me Fakhri, and I'm from Muhammad University of Makassar, and the major that I take is English department. Thank you.
Hi, Kak Fikri. It's so nice to meet you. Okay, next to Kak Fikri, the pretty one.
Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Andi Nur Inayatul Kaini, and you can call me Aini. I am from Muhammadiyah University of Makassar.
Hi, Kaini. Okay, nice to meet you. Okay, smart listeners. So we are going to talk about benefits of fasting. So as all of you know that this month is called as Ramadan. And everyone, especially Muslims, are fasting. And maybe before we are going to talk about our topic, one of you can introduce what is BPEC?
BPEC, or everyone know, Benteng Panjua English Club is one of the English community. They always conduct the meeting in Benteng, Fort Rotterdam. So every Sunday we called the meeting as Lovely Sunday Meeting. We provide to society the place to learn English. And there are several items that we provide. The first is Who Am I? In Who Am I, everyone, especially new visitor, have to explain or introduce themselves to the other participants so they can know each other. And the next item is ice breaking. In ice breaking, the committee tried to break the ice, break the awkward situation, because after the ice breaking we have discussion and debating. And in discussion and debating, we will discuss about a topic, the interesting topic, that we try to make a topic that everyone can discuss about it. For example, people pleaser, love, and many topics that are very interesting. And after that, we do like debating session. And in debating session, there are two groups. The first is government side, and the second is opposition side. And they will debate each other. And then we have building skill. And this is very interesting because after debating, we have building skill. We learn about grammar, idioms, and many things about English. So it can increase our knowledge in English. And then after that we have entertainment. in entertainment, everyone who has like talent or something that can entertain other participant, they can stand in front of other participant and show the thing that they can show. And the last one is announcement. In announcement, if you have something to inform, for example, graduation party or wedding party, you can stand up and inform to the other participant. Yeah, that's all our items. And the good news is it's free of charge. Yeah,
Wow,
so
free.
everyone can visit us and every single age. Yeah, even you already married, you can join us.
Okay,
Yeah.
oh, such
Your
an
partner.
interesting, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so smart listeners, if you guys have, I think all of you always have day off, especially in Sunday. So make sure that you enjoy, that you spend your quality time by join in BPEC, yeah, in English meeting. Such a nice to hear. Okay, we are going to discuss our topic. But we have a newcomer here, so maybe you can introduce yourself first.
Yeah, hello everyone. Actually, let me get this straight. I'm not a newcomer.
Oh, not newcomer, so
I'm an old comer.
yeah.
Just arrived, yeah. Okay, that's all. Yeah, my name is Nahui, guys. Hello. So probably some of you already see me many times.
Oh, hi,
And probably some of
Kanawi.
you are boring seeing me, like no.
No, we already
Okay,
we
yeah.
haven't
So
seen you.
yeah, recently this is my first time in this month to join again with BPC because previously I have a program, namely community service or namely KKN, yeah.
Yeah.
And now I just finished my community service. Yeah, I think that's all, guys. Thank you.
Wow, such a nice to hear. Okay, good luck, Kanawi. Okay, so let's just move to our topic tonight. We are going to talk about benefits of fasting. So maybe I'll start to Kanawi, yeah. Yeah, because he is a newcomer. Yeah, so you know that we are going to talk about benefits of fasting, but maybe you can explain what is fasting. What is fasting? Your own definition.
Yeah, first of all, as we all know that there are many types of fasting itself, not only in Islam, yeah.
Yes.
Also, we have known in some religions, they also have their own ways to do fasting itself. In my definitions, talking about fasting itself, fasting is like holding your hunger and also thirsty and etc. But not only that, actually, in our religion, especially in Islam, yeah, fasting is not talking about holding our hunger or thirsty and etc. But it is also talking about how we hold our hunger, our desire, our bad desire, such as like anger or any kinds of bad desires itself. So I think that's all about my own definitions of fasting. Thank you.
Wow, so fasting is holding desire. Yeah, okay. And next to Kak Nahwi, Kak Fikri. Yeah, Kak Fikri, do you have your
Well-
own definition about fasting?
I think everyone has almost the same definition of fasting itself, and to me, I think fasting is like just the same like what Nawi said before. Like we hold our desire to eat, to drink, and when it comes to Muslim, not only about that, but also we hold anything that is seemingly negative. For example, like anger or bad emotion, something like that. So all the bad things, not only about eating and drinking, but also our bad emotion, we have to try to not do it in Islam. But in general, I think there's a lot of people that want to do fast because they think that they need to improve or fix their health, their body,
Yeah.
to shape their body. Like there are a lot of artists do that kind of thing so that their body will be looking better than before, so that everyone can can enjoy when they see and then can respect them as well. I think that's all.
Okay, thank you, Kak Fikri. So some people also do fasting because they are diet, yeah. Okay, so maybe Kak Yusril. So do you fasting? Are you fasting?
Yeah, of course. I'm a Muslim.
Okay.
Yeah.
Or are you fasting for diet or to hold your desires?
Now I'm fasting because this is the obligation of my religion.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what is the benefits of fasting for you?
There are a lot of benefits of fasting if we see from the healthy side. One of that is I ever hear from one of the doctor. His name is Zaidul Akbar. He said that if you stop eating around 12 hours or something like that, your body will produce enzyme. I don't know how to say in English. The enzyme. Yeah, enzyme. And it can help your body to be better. The enzyme will burn every single toxic in your body. Toxic thing.
Yeah. Okay.
And one of the benefit from the psychology side is fasting can help someone to sleep better. Yeah, because as I know that if we stop eating, it can help us to sleep more than when we always eating. Yeah, I mean sleep good sleep. I mean, yeah, not like
so you
not
will
like,
have a deep sleep. Yeah.
like that.
Okay,
Yeah, that's
okay. Thank you, Kak Yusril. So, smart listeners, we still have commercial break, but don't go anywhere after the commercial.